Y'all know what time it is. It is time for the good old new releases. It's been a while, y'all. We had our 10-year anniversary, which thank y'all so much. I am so happy with the way the kit turned out. And then we also did have a foil sale. So now we're back with our normal releases. This week we actually have 4 kits instead of 3, so there is a pop culture mystery, but it's non-exclusive art, so you may have already seen it on the Instagram, but I'm very excited about it. And then we have 3 kits here, 2 foil bundles, and a doodle of the week. I feel like I'm like missing something, but also I don't really know. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Let me double check my binder and make sure I'm not missing anything. No, is this week going to be? Oh, did I show you May freebies? Is this May? Or did I already do May? Oh, I haven't even shown you May. Okay, well, if you ordered in May, you would have gotten these. But let me go ahead and show you the May freebies first because it is May 9th. I've just been kind of all over the place. So the journaling card here, it's in the blossoming art, super pretty. This is the $75 freebie. Super cute, just doodle 2 in the colors of this, which it didn't come like available a la carte. So this is, let me just rewind. Okay, this is all orders, okay? I cannot believe I didn't show you this yet. So, all orders here, you have your journaling card, and then it's gonna be 4 random foil pieces. Could be freebie size, could be like sheet size. It just really depends, but just some foil to throw into your stash. And then the $75 plus freebie is this one here, which is the Doodle 2, like I said, in the same colorway as Blossoming. Then we have the $150 freebie, which is always a random foil bundle, and then the $300 freebie, which is always a random ultimate kit. So those are the freebies. I probably should get a picture of those on Instagram sometime this century. Also, starting May 1st, we did put up the mystery extra, like the extra, I think I have them in here, yeah. I'll show you these too. These are available now starting May 1st. These are the a la carte extras for the May mystery. I won't show you them just in case you still haven't seen the kit, but those are available now. I'll probably go through those again in a video later in the month. And now I think we could get into the new releases now that I've gotten my life together. So first things first is I wanted to do a brown for the doodle collection of the week. This one is going to be called Coffee, and it has your normal sheets with your freebie sheet at the end. I think this is a perfect brown color. It's going to match so much. Like anything with like wood brown. It's going to be perfect fall, non-fall, just all the time. There's brown in a lot of things. I really like it. Sometimes I need a brown, so here we are. So this will be on special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday. Speaking of special pricing from Wednesday through Sunday, we do have 2 foil bundles this week. They are both in the groovy format. This one here is in lemongrass, whereas the other one is a gold wave. So if you're not familiar with the format, it comes with 2 pages that have the full box overlays along with the header overlays. And then you have, this one has the wavy check underlays. You get 2 pages of those, the icons and the scripts. This is like the newer icons page. And then this has the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and bottom washi. And again, this is in lemongrass, which I think goes perfectly with the groovy aesthetic. Very fun, very fresh. And then the other color is this wavy gold hollow. Super pretty. Again, I think this is going to go with a lot. It's gorgeous. It's like a really pretty, like small, like wispy wave, if that makes sense. Like it's very just gentle on the wave. Super pretty though. So that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. And again, those will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday. So we love those. Then let's get into the kit releases. So first one that I have here to show you is Poolside. And I'm obsessed with the colors in this kit. It does come in a mini and ultimate, of course. All the kits do this week. And let me go ahead and give y'all a little flippy through because this turned out stunning. I just had a like obsession with like yellow and green recently. I've just been loving it. I think this turned out so cute. I love the Kindle. I love these fashion people up here and the food. I love French fries, you know, but these colors are just so stinking fun. It's obnoxious. And I kind of want to use like sparkly green with this. I think that would be very fun and very fresh, and just, or sparkly orange would be cute as well. Like one of the colors that aren't like one of the 4 colors might be cute too, but I'm thinking like sparkly green could be really epic with this. But I love water patterns. I love the edging of the pool on the date covers. You have a little bikini box here along with a box that's perfect for a pool related, summer related quote. So that is poolside. So again, it does come in mini and ultimate. And then let me show you the add-on options. We have Doodle and Doodle 2. These colors are just like honestly fantastic. Like it's kind of wild. We also have Fashion, which has the like variations to have like all fam 6 between these here. Then we do have the Label Sampler along with Label Sampler 2 and then Label Sampler 3. Then there is ombre as well as the patterned or just regular like art boxes, because that's not like a pattern, but you know what I mean. Then we have 1 through 6 on the Scribblers, and we also do have fam. So there is fam 1. I love these kids. They're so cute. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Super cute. Perfect. Anytime in the summer situation. I think it could go like the kiddie route. It could go just kind of hanging with your friends route, hanging by yourself, reading route. Honestly, sounds like a vibe to me. But that is poolside. The next kit that we have here is also Kittenish Jess Art, and this is Miami, and I love this. I wish I had it when I went to Miami with Kane. I think it was like 2 years ago. It's honestly such a vibe. Again, I love the yellow and like the aqua-y green color. It's just so pretty. Jess asked me like, what does a Cuban, not a Cuban set, what does a Miami set need? And I was like, a Cuban, because like Miami, the food is just so good. I love the little yellow car there, and like I don't know if this is like a food truck or like, I think because there's like lights on it. I was like, at first I was like, is that like a train? But I think it's like a food truck, possibly. I just think it's really gorgeous. I don't really like seafood, but I get the vibes. We're by the water. And again, these colors are gorgeous, fantastic, everything. You have the Grand Theft Auto box. I don't play it, but I know Jess does and Nick does, so I might use it just to celebrate them. And then you have like the F1, I believe what it's called, racing. Again, I don't really know anything about that, but Nick likes the kind of general idea of it. And then you have the 2 fashion boxes here as the freebie. So that, my friends, is the ultimate kit. I did do a reel on me putting together the full boxes. If you want to check that out, it is on Instagram. Also comes in a mini kit. And then we do have the Doodle 2, as well as the Label. And Label 2 is this really pretty yellow color, which I just feel like is so fun. And then you have ombre as well as the pattern boxes. And then you have all 6 Scribbler options, as well as all 6 fam options, which are super, super cute. I love her little Prada bucket hat and her little like checkered 2-piece outfit. So love this. I think it's so fun. I think foil wise, this one's kind of like, it kind of is like maybe sparkly hollow, lavender hollow mixed together, or maybe just lavender hollow, maybe just regular hollow, maybe some kind of variation of that situation. But I just think it's so cute. This one, as far as foil goes, I'm kind of like, I kind of want to go the fun foil. I do think that this would look really pretty with rainbow if you wanted to do it. I think this is kind of like the rainbow color of like my rainbow foil bundles. Do I have any laying around here? I might. Just kidding. I don't know where they are. There's like foil bundles like out the wazoo everywhere. Oh, here we go. Well, this is like the shattered rainbow, but like you can kind of get the idea. I think rainbow would be cute. But I think that I might want to go like a sparkly single fun pop color. I think that'd be really, really cute. Then let's get into the last kit here, which moves into clip art kits art, which also is pop mystery art. And this one here is called Dragon Rider. It is perfect for Fourth Wing, which is a book, or Iron Flame, more towards Fourth Wing than Iron Flame. But it could also go for like really any general like dragon vibes art set situation. I just love dragons, but I do love Fourth Wing. I think it's so fun. Iron Flame, not as much, but Fourth Wing was so good. So you have the boxes here. It's just so good. And you have the really muted dark colors, which I think totally works for Fourth Wing, but also, again, works for any general fantasy. There's like swords, and this is like rain and lightning and a dragon. You need a dragon. Tons of dragon kind of stuff throughout. On the spine of the books, in the background here, dragons. So it's like a little thing there, but I think I'm going to save this to use whenever, what's it called? I have it pre-ordered. Onyx Storm, I think is what it's called, comes out. Because for me, Fourth Wing was like a 5.5-star read, like out of 5. But I feel like Iron Flame was very much so like felt very 4. So, but I'm like so invested that I'm like, I'm doing it all the way through. All the way through. So you have Doodle 1 and Doodle 2, of course. And then we do have the label sampler along with the ombre heart checklist, along with the extra box. The pattern boxes are I like because you have like the dragon scales and then the like a leather kind of texture. Super cute. You have all 6 of your scribblers as well as fam options. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with the black dragon. And I just want to point this out that on the blonde one, I did Photoshop out the scar because I'm just letting you know that if you're using this for Fourth Wing, that's Liam. That's going to be Liam. I don't even know if we're going to use Zayden. I think we're going to use Liam because he's my baby and I love him so much. So, yeah. Also went ahead and like mirrored them. So if you use them together, they obviously are the same, but they like slightly look different if you wanted to use them together. Just the little things, I guess. And then let's go over the pot mystery. I'm going to keep yapping for forever about the Fourth Wing. But again, could be just general dragons because there's nothing like besides like the characters, but also that's kind of depiction of like what we think they might look like. Everything else is just kind of like general magic kind of esque. But let's go ahead and go through the pot mystery. If you don't want to see it and you want to buy it blindly, thank you for watching and I will talk to y'all in my next video. But if you want to see the whole dang thing, let me show you. First, I'll do the pass by. That's kind of a fast pass by. But I almost screamed whenever Clip Arts Kits said they were going to be doing this art because Neopets was my whole entire childhood. I love Neopets. I was like pre-Webkinz age, I think. But my whole family was like super into Neopets. I recently, maybe like last year, like started in a new account and was like killing it. And then just quit because like at that point none of the Flash games were available, so a lot of the things like or anything Flash was not working, so it just kind of got like repetitive because I couldn't play any games. I couldn't do a lot of the different things because Flash was broken. They just never like they let it die. I went through like a whole like watching all of these like not conspiracy theories but like these crazy things that happen with Neopets, like YouTube videos, and I just love Neopets. So had to happen, honestly. My favorite Neopet is actually not in here. It was a Poogle, and there is a Poogle on the little scratcher though. So I love Poogles, but my favorite thing were always like paintbrushes and getting those, but I also loved like collecting all the food. I was really big into like having my shop and like always having it stocked with all the best prices. And like the jellies are just so cute. And you got like the Soup Fairy. Just love these colors. I went with like the brighter colorway. She with the papers went more pastel. Let me show you. But I thought this is a little more pastel. But I went with the bright colorway because I thought it just screamed Neopets. Like it's just so good. So good. I love this with like the Neopets kind of like pattern logo in it. It's super cute. And then the bottom washi, which I did like take the paintbrushes, extract the outlines, and then did a rainbow gradient with the colors, and then like patterned the outlines, and then did like a little bit of like an outer glow, low opacity fill of them. And I think it turned out really cute, right? I think it turned out really cute. It definitely took a little bit more time than a bottom washi normally does, but I thought it was worth it because I love paintbrushes. And then we have like the grass. I think that looks cute with the whole thing. This could also be really cute with rainbow. Personally, I don't think I'm going to do rainbow. I think the pink flower hollow from Hannah could be really cute, but also just like a standard gold, silver hollow, sparkly hollow. It might be a hollow, sparkly hollow moment. I might do something like rainbows or something like that. But yeah, overall super thrilled with the way this turned out. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is this fairy here. I don't really remember her name. I don't remember a lot of their name. Like I know it's like Aisha or something. I think it starts like an AC. I don't know. I'm not good with the names. Cause I was like super into Poogles. Like I had like a bazillion Poogles. Well, like 4. And they all were like painted. So, yeah, no, I was a Poogle girly. So we have that. And then we have the mini, of course. And then add-on options, you do have Doodle, Doodle 2, as well as Label. And then there is Label 2 and 3. I'm going to add in more colors. And then there is Ombre. And then, like I said, there is the pattern boxes, which are super cute. I love the paint brushes and the jellies. Adorable. Then there is all of the Scribblers, of course, if you want to add those on. And then there is some fashion boxes. There is Fashion 1, which has 1 and 2 fam-wise. There is Fashion 2, which has 3 and 4. And then there's Fashion 3, which has 5 and 6, if you want to pick those up. Which they'd be cute even if you don't want to have a fashion box. You could even just use one of these this way, or if you want to extend your kit more, I think that that could do that for you as well. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. This will only be available Wednesday through Sunday, so definitely get your hands on it. I am like half tempted to save it for my birthday next year, because I just like literally, like I said, Neopets was my childhood. I remember going, I think it was like to Limited too, and it was kind of like Webkins of sorts, where you like bought the plushies and they had like some kind of code on them. But I remember that, and I also remember that trip that we went to Limited 2 for them. My brother got a tick at the mall, so that was very odd. And I lived in New Jersey then. So that, my friends, is everything. Like I said, don't also forget to pick up, you know, the main mystery add-ons if you want to do any of those. There's also the Doodles. And then we also had the freebies, which I just really honestly cannot believe, and I apologize for that I have not showed you the freebies for this month yet. The freebie app did like change a little bit. It doesn't change it all for you, but it like shows you like it weird in the cart now, so I don't know. It's different and interesting. It wasn't working for like a day, so I had to go in and fix that. But other than that, that is everything. Don't forget to sign up for Mystery. I'm actually going to go ahead and film that reveal now. It's super, super pretty. Kind of gives like end of summer, fall energy, and is a theme that I've done something similar before, but it's kind of like different, and it's been requested so much. It's kind of like outdoorsy vibes, which also last month was kind of outdoorsy vibes, but they're definitely different vibes and different artists. So that is everything, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.